Hi everyone, welcome back or welcome to another episode of Life with Marion and Joe. And in today's episode, I'm going to be showing you the things that I'm going to be using to set the kitchen table in a Ralph Lauren inspired design. So here's the stuff that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using these red placemats because I'm using a lot of red in these rooms. I am going to be using this china because it is white and it has silver on it, and I thought it had a very wintry look, and I don't have enough to set the table in a spode pattern or a Christmas pattern, and I thought this was more appropriate anyway. It looked a little bit more formal. It is formal china. I'm also going to be using these utensils, which have a gold rim on them because I have a lot of red and gold and black going on in this Ralph Lauren inspired area. I'm going to be using this as a water glass because it has these spots in it like this, and it's these are antique glasses as well, and I think it gives it a icy wintry kind of a look. And then I'm going to be using these champagne fluted glasses with this gold rim to pick up on the gold, because remember, this is kind of like a fantasy brunch that I'm setting the table for. All right, so I want to create a special napkin for the table, and what I'm going to be using is a cloth, and here's the tartan plaid, the Ralph Lauren tartan plaid, and I'm making it into a square. Now, the first thing you want to do for this origami is you want to fold this in half. I want the seams in, okay? So you see what I did? I folded in half. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fold the napkin in half again. Okay, so you see what I did? Now, we're going to find the edge where all the openings are, correct? And we're going to take the first one and I'm going to bring it up to here and create this little area up here, okay? Then I'm going to take the next one and I'm going to bring it in a little bit further down. You see that? Then I'm going to take the next one and bring it up, and the next one and bring it up. So you see what it looks like right now? Like this. Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to fold it over. I'm going to make all those flaps on the bottom. I'm then going to take this piece right here and I'm going to bring it over to this corner. So you see what it looks like? But now this down here, this is going to be the top of the tree that I'm making. So now I'm going to take this other side like this and I'm going to bring it in like so. Okay? And then when I turn it over, see what I have? Like this, okay? So you just might want to straighten it out a little bit so it has the right shape, like this, okay? Now we're going to take each one of these flaps and tuck it under. So I'm going to take it, tuck it under. Take the next one and tuck it under, okay? And then I'm going to do the next one as well, and the next one as well, like this, right? Now what happens is you wind up with this piece on the bottom. So we're going to tuck this up under like this. And take a look at that. You've made a little Christmas tree that you can have in the center of your plate or on your table. Okay, so let's do this simply, all right? We're going to take our placemat and we're going to put that down first, obviously. Next, we're going to take our plate. When we have a pattern like this, always keep the same pattern. So I'm using this flower as my marker in the upward position, like that, okay? Next, I'm going to take my cute origami napkin and I'm going to place it in the center of the dish, like that. For this setting, I'm going to do a fork and the knife and put the blade in towards the plate, because when you put the blade out towards the plate, it means you want to kill the person next to you. So you want to put the blade in towards the plate. Now putting it on the right side. Can you see that? Yeah, okay. Next, I'm going to use my water glass right here, okay, followed by the fluted gold glass here for our mimosas. Okay, and there is my place setting. Now let me do a little bit in the center. Okay, so now I have my 6 place settings, and if you notice, I did every other one. I did the tartan plaid, and then the red napkin, tartan plaid, red napkin, and so on. So now I have, from when we redid the chairs, if you saw that video in the tartan plaid, I have this piece left over. So what I'm doing is I'm making this as a runner down the center of the table. Okay, but it's a little bit longer, and I don't want to cut it. So what I'm doing is I'm going to lay this piece of material out, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in from the edge, and I'm just going to fold it and fold it like this, and I'm going to make like the edge of a ribbon ruffled, okay? And then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to come in and fold it and and fold it like this so that we have nice ruffled edge. Okay, like that. All right. Next, just for festive look, because it would come off the table, I'm going to put a poinsettia plant in the center. And I'm going to use 2 candlesticks with a green tapered candle for some color. Okay, let me show you the whole table. Okay everybody, thanks for stopping by today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and like always, subscribe, it's free, and drop me a comment and give me a thumbs up, and I'll be seeing you really soon. Okay everybody, take care, bye bye.